How do you put it?
Big,
See?
square. Small, square. Brilliant.
Where does it go?
Pink, triangle. Red, circle.
What is this? What is this? Orange square.
Orange,
Where's the
square.
blue one? Go get the blue one, Jacob. You try it. There, look, watch.
Blue, square.
Come on.
Yellow, circle. Good job.
Good job. Ooh, look at this one. What color is this? Green. Circle. How about this one?
Red,
What color is this? Blue. Yeah.
yellow.
You're silly.
Excellent.
Yay. Good job.